Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your sequence so timing stays accurate. First, import your video and create a sequence that matches the clip's frame rate. This prevents drift. Next, open the captions or text workspace so the panels you need are visible. Then create a new caption track via File New Captions. Choose the standard e.g., Open Captions, and the correct time base. Once done, position the playhead to where the first subtitle should appear and you're ready to type. Now you build and sync each caption. Select the caption item and type your text in the text panel, keeping lines concise for readability. Move the caption clip on the timeline and trim its in/slash out to match the spoken words. You can set in and out with the I and O keys for speed. Use ripple trim or nudge by frames when needed, and check playback to confirm timing. Also split long dialogue into 2 caption clips so viewers have enough reading time. Finish by styling and exporting. Use essential graphics to set font, size, contrast, and safe margins so subtitles remain legible across devices. When ready, export. Under Export settings, pick Captions and choose Embed versus Sidecar SRT depending on delivery needs. If you need hard-coded subtitles, choose Burn Captions. If captions drift after edits, reconform your sequence or regenerate the SRT from the final timeline. That fixes mismatch. One quick troubleshooting tip. If SRT shows incorrect times, re-export after consolidating all trims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.